Hey, how you doing, guys? Today we're changing the batteries on the Subaru keyless entry or Keyfob. First, you're gonna push this right here in the back of the key, and you're gonna slide the key out, just like that. Then, with the help of little tools like this, it's gonna help you prime open a lot of things. You're gonna press it right here on the side along this line, and open it just like that. And then this key, everything's gonna be the chip is gonna be on one side and the battery is gonna be on the other side. We're using the battery CR20R2. We have the new one right here. Gonna open the new one, and to get this battery out, just need the same tool, and it's gonna help you remove the battery out. That's it. Put the new battery in the same way, and that's all. Just make sure you put it matching the key fob. Make sure it sits nice and firm, and you can put this back until you hear the click. And that's all. Thank you for watching.